Just how usable is Windows 7 in 2026, almost 16 years later? Let's find out. So first of all, there's web browsing. Regular Chromium and Google Chrome don't support Windows 7 anymore. But guess what? Because Chromium is open source, someone made a fork that supports Windows 7. Let's try it out. And here it is. This is basically Chromium 144, and it supports Windows 7, which means you can browse the web safely using Windows 7. There's also Firefox 150 ESR, which means Firefox also supports Windows 7 in 2026. You can watch YouTube, you can do everything, but technically Chromium Chromium should have more compatibility with modern websites because it's Chromium based, while Firefox 115 ESR is stuck on one version. But both do get updates and both work. For gaming, there's Steam. Steam still supports Windows 7. We can even install stuff, open them. It does say that it will stop running on Windows 7 in 0 days, but don't worry about it. As you can see, I even have a game installing right now, which means that Steam is fully usable. But what about the other Epic Games launcher? Let's try to install that. And yeah, unfortunately, the Epic Games launcher doesn't support Windows 7 anymore. So that's a no-go, meaning we can't really play games like Fortnite. One more game that isn't supported is Roblox. So yeah, for gaming, it can work because Steam supports it, but it's not perfect. Apps like VOC still support it, and apps like 7-Zip also still support it. For antivirus software, there's Avast and AVG first. I've got Avast here. Okay, look, I know that a lot of you don't like Avast and AVG, but I'm just saying it exists. Alright, Alright. There's also Kaspersky, Bitdefender, and Malwarebytes. There's also Microsoft Security Essentials, but that's kind of buggy in 2026. Like, definitions sometimes fail to update, sometimes update. I don't know, it's a hit and miss, but it can work. Okay, so I've got an Avast here. So yeah, that's about it. If I have to rate Windows 7 based on app support, it's like an 8.5 out of 10. Web browsers work, pretty much everything works except some games. But Steam works, so it's good enough.